Olivia, what are you doing? Huh? Hi, Olivia. Hi, Olivia. Yes, and that's Opal on the branch. Olivia is always very curious. And that was Matilda. And this is Cogburn. Yeah. Oh, sorry, there's Cogburn. And there's Longmire. And that's Lila. Lila and Longmire. And there's Egberta. Egberta, are you hungry? Huh? And that little yellow one, that's Prudence. And that's Bunny. Who's up on the branch? I can't tell. Oh, there's Egberta. Hi, Egberta. What are you doing? And some are being sleepy under there. Yeah. And that's Iris. Let's see. There's Iris. Oh, Egberta just flew up there. And that should be, let's see, I think that's Ella May. And that's Ivy down there.